The approver view, where managers sign off on a week of work in 3 minutes, not 3 hours. This is James Whitfield, one of Hartwell's principals. His approvals queue shows everything submitted to him this week, grouped by consultant, sorted by oldest submitted first. Click a row to expand. You see the description, project, rate, and any AI flags. James can approve or send back with a note for the consultant. Select multiple rows. James can sweep through Tom Kowalski's whole week in one click if nothing's flagged. Bulk approve writes one audit entry per row, so reviewers downstream see who approved what and when. Some workspaces need two-level approval. Set up an approval chain under Settings, Approvals. Submissions over a threshold or against certain projects route to a second approver before they hit billable. The Team Entries view is read-only for managers. Every entry across the workspace, filterable by employee, project, client, or date. Useful for utilization checks and quarterly billable hours review. Approvals are the bridge between consultants and billing. Approved entries are ready to invoice. Next section, billing in all its forms.